Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Charles and joining me is my wife Amy.
Hi everyone.
We've got a special treat. We've got a great meal we want to show you all about. Fish tacos with mango salsa. So come on in our kitchen and we'll show you just how to make it. Well, you want to show me too? How do you make this mango salsa?
Sure. Yes, we're going to use pineapple in this, mango, red onion, cucumber, red pepper, cilantro, orange, lime, and then we have a special ingredient, cilantro lime dressing. And the seasonings are salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. So after I get it cut up, I'll show you exactly how much of everything I use, and then you can do this at home.
Sounds yummy to me.
Yes, let's get started.
So, the star of the dish.
Oh, that's right. What are we using?
Spanish mackerel, freshly caught in the Gulf of Mexico.
It's beautiful.
And I filleted it up today, so we're ready to get right on this. So come on in and join us.
So I've cut up our mango, our red pepper, our pineapple. Our pineapple we used 1 cup, and then we used 1/4 of an onion, half of a cucumber, and then 1 bunch of cilantro. So let's go ahead and put it in our mixing bowl. Everything. We'll just kind of go like this. It's such a colorful dish. All right, let's go ahead and put that over here. All right, now we are going to start mixing. And what we're going to do is squeeze our orange. There we go, squeeze it. Okay. And then we are going to squeeze our lime. Look at these colors. We've got red, yellow, green. I'm all about the color with food. And then we've got our salt, which is 1/2 teaspoon we're going to put in. Then we're going to put 1 teaspoon of garlic, and then 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And then we've got 1/4 cup of cilantro lime dressing, which I told you just makes this dish. So let's go ahead and put that in, and we will give it a stir. So here we go. Let's give it a stir. The cilantro is very rich. I love it. It adds so much flavor to this. All right.
So here we are with our fish. Now we're going to put a dry seasoning on top of the fish. We've got 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. We've got 1 teaspoon of taco seasoning, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix this all up, and then we're going to get our fillets totally battered up in this dry seasoning, and we're going to lightly pan fry it. And while we're pan frying it, we're going to be using, we like to use corn tortillas, and we have the pan warming up, and we're going to put it in there and get them nice and toasty. Okay, here we go. We're just going to batter these guys up. Get a nice coating on this. The taco seasoning really gives it a nice pizzazz. So there's 1. And this is just a light batter. Put this in here. My wife taught me that. Just pound it down lightly with your hand and press it in, and you get a nice coating. A nice coating on this. Okay, so these are ready to go into the frying pan. And now we're getting ready. We're going to put our corn tortillas in the frying pan here that's warming up. We've got a 1/4 cup of oil, and we're going to coat the base of this pan with. While that's getting a little bit hot, we're going to go ahead and take our corn tortillas, and we're going to warm these up a little bit.
This one.
Okay, we'll leave them there getting toasty. This, I believe, is about the right temperature. And now we're ready. We'll lower it just a hair. We're ready to drop these 2 fillets right in here. Yeah, this is great. Not too much oil. Okay, let's see if we can flip these. Oh, look at that. Nice and golden brown. I like this. Oh, this is delicious. Spanish mackerel tastes so good. That's the color you want. You don't want to burn them too much. Oh, my mouth is savoring this mango salsa. Can't wait to have this. Yeah, these are delicious. This Spanish mackerel is just an awesome dish. If you ever go fishing, Spanish mackerel, you'll know when it hits the lure or the bait. They run like demons in the ocean, and they peel lines. So it's an exciting thing whenever we catch them, and they're highly sought after for their meat. They're very meaty, very little bone structure, and just loaded with meat.
All right, well, Charlie's done with our fish, our pan-fried fish. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is break it up with my fork because it's going to go in the tacos. All right, so I'm going to then make up a taco. I actually put 2 corn tortillas together because the salsa can be very wet and it can break your corn tortilla. So just be careful with doing that. Put 2 together. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the mango salsa on top, and Charlie and I are going to enjoy this.
The moment of truth has arrived. Let's dig in.
All right.
Not bad on the salsa.
Mm-hmm. Not bad on the fish.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, wow, there's a lot of flavors in here. I love the pineapple with the fish and the mango with the fish. It tastes so good.
The Spanish mackerel, if you get a chance to go fishing, go for Spanish mackerel. They run usually all year long. They're in different places, of course, but they taste tremendous. Well, folks, thanks so much for joining with us. We really appreciate it, and we had a blast, and I hope you did too. And until the next episode, God bless.
We're back again.
Please hit the subscribe button. We're listed on all social media, and the recipe will be listed in the links below. And that is a wrap.